In this video, we will show you our DIY 3x12 periodic table and the fun way we made it. These books helped us to learn about each element.
The first book is a Lift the Flat book that gives a general overview of the whole table and a few fun facts about the more exciting elements in each group. The next book is a DK book that has more detail and cool pictures of the elements and where they are used. The last book gives a more robust history of the elements and topics of discussion about the elements and their role in our environment.
We also watched periodic videos, which has videos on all the elements and some fun experiments. We will put links for all this stuff in the description.
We used AstroBrite cardstock paper because it came in vibrant colors to make each element group easily identifiable. For the element symbols, we used generic Dollar Tree letters. Now we will explain how we put the table together and learned at the same time.
First, we would read about the elements, then watch a video about it.
Next came the construction of the element card. We cut the cardstock into rectangles. Then we glued the letters to the card and wrote its name and atomic number.
We repeated this process 117 more times, and then we were done! You'll notice that our table is very wide.
That is because we put the actinides and the lanthanides in their correct place on the table. In most tables, they are placed on the bottom to save space, but we wanted our table to take up an entire wall! We made it about 5 years ago and placed it in a hallway, but since we had limited wall space at our next house, we put it next to the staircase.
After we finished, we put on our periodic table shirts and had a fashion show. Check it out!
And that's how we made our table. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.